Ajulu mataka for you. Tira mi atuta me lokele ba chile kong kita jui cha kene lemon. So atika me gama lok pa eva ya Ajulu. Mo bere ka lok pa na ma dok lokom luwe kingo matika time Ikin luwe. Everything you said, I agree with you that it makes sense. Nano iloko gino mo makwiri ma comme lok lo dama pe ngar mo be daw lo ye ko na e ba ya jula ne ngar mo no pe ne in ko chala in e ba ya jula in tiki ngo ni timongo. I remember I saw that in one of the comments. E ba wuchuwa pera wa duong ya chala wa luwe ni pera wa duong inano pera wa mena machiel fans pera wa mena Mario radio presenters pera wa mena madek promoters my boss me gwaje gini pero mena mangwen bloggers inano mere madit ka cha ko ne ma chiel ka inano promoters wakita gitu kere en kere i waje kene jomagi graga kumika wa be gundong en gina chama managers pe Baby akala we mati gulamatiki manager. To be honest, even all those big sounding names hunge pedimatiki manager, they just have people who work with them. But they managers cool, you know. So presenters, I'm here chake botu. You're one of the reasons why we are failing. You're one of the biggest contribution to the failure of Northern Ugandan music. Mapatki enoni. Uturu we pala laga moma pa mi wa Pierre Beach. Pa mi wa Pierre Beach tika go we ne ti go we pa Bana Boy tika go we ka nga ti go we pa nga ti go we pa Chameleon ti go we pa Bebe Cool. Pa mi wa Pierre Beach. And with Joe contacting Ian, you will play that day because I go in chimba. Pianingina be winyu. We be cockney and giro. Moinge don kolo. Gilmore pe. You know, more pa woon presenters. Well, which in Nigeria, Nigeria maro match, which in Nigeria goyo 90% Nigeria, 5% Africa, 5% the world on USA. Hi, Nano MTV base in Nano channels on Bagiti Nigeria. Then you know what I'm talking about. But Bodwa can't pay. No la presenter mo tika goyo wepa Chameleon bien Kampala what wepa ngama ti kokiropa easy kumbira thing we madi ko Kampala TV. To be honest, it's only Tsunami we ma mega manyan. It's the only song playing right now on TV channels in Kampala ma ake north, and I think it's only playing piampe ngena ake tunko no chamu kene inano. Now Mario mami alo ya bidok board won machala won promoters on makilok komgine un konyupe an machil palo la komu konya presenter konya promoters wa peke and me I wa gama la pen mangano no pen jal you doing well eto pay na chile wa poster wa wuji joma na gi show jui na no yala goyo gila joma ngunu na gi cha wen no giti ngo giti kato giti shows ka wen patong gulu pa jule kid gum yam kwene yala magoyle tin ene ki jamari ay kiming pa wan luwe be on watini wagamo chene mwene mer pen ko wa mero mat shamenyo yo mat chai well we were per enkra jule wani start looking 10,000 not 3,000 e kom lo and baby nana poster yala mo go ya pe I will one joke ke wa ati da mo na ne ger and me a best na ne da mo na ni enano chi o branding kong o we lu bet kong we lo makwiri o chake do kong wel mo ma olo ka ki gami bene ka chiaro ka show mo no kong bene gine konyo mane no la we ti chiare show wa kid gum e wel matching ali mi angwen mi dek mi reyet batch mi re wil bon mi re tim i charpe te yara me go no dire da mi re chare studio mi tim go gen ma ken perishi one way wa pegi branding mo makonyo. That is where we have failed. But did tell any bloggers I hope the video in place till the end and you're able to listen to it. Bloggers ma wana tikere kona nga ke pa be kwana nyingi ka in bloggers wan ko ngi pe. If nobody's going to write about me, it's okay. You have never written about me in a long time, and I did not die, and still I've been doing well. Bloggers want to take it down, okay? Magiti you get gi. Nick down area death money can you mind yeah, we have signed a memorandum of understanding in your Kiyala. Nan kaun a tiukilo way wang equally. Ono parba. Ko un blogger so tiki chiene makwanye pe ko tiu chiene in different ways ko no deals about the companies the way ngo maduong, yeah. So won't be you're one of the people who are failing because a lot of people are stupidly following you people and get content so mo biena ke ma chiel pare ju youtube post ngara chiel down all kenano gine because no kenana what am I going to watch again because this is the same person. Content be no pay just because ki gamjing ali bari your money ki bola we eno mi take post njui. Start using your brain o chak cho content makonyo mabi we ngar money o lo chatte. Bloggers who get gulu like everything is just within gulu within kidgum within ko pechara ka mama pat aya pat donc eno ni gonke ken funds wa wona dong lu voila la. We are still being driven by funds. But where we money paying funds umiroma en I will get you la way money could be ta go la ku pin where dance do ku bi go la ku don it one me ngara where dance ka where la ku wa we. It's all about being versatile in that way. Pechara ko do na pingara me ko bi wela ko pin in pe wela ko chiro wanu ko do wengo kan yar mageno yo ma go dance ne amonyo go hip hop nya R&B ne no kitiki show chi wa pe wa merla wela ku mongol stage o chara ko be ko en ki Tele nyo ken nyo birthdays padarma o chama yene o get o work lock me ngaro ma owning genre of any music in northern Uganda pe ani ni ka mera go wa jera goyo kamero goyo na bena goyo ka mero goyo hip hop goyo it lokongo it mo ni pingo so what power wa do the way start branding yourself look 10,000 we only way logma ever ya Ajulu lo kom look 10,000 not 3,000 it was street my no la we me tika nya mera kan ti mo tika en nga wuri la tenama han gera a lo chune ta pen ai pa ko gera ki chene pangarum pa ko ki show pangarmo akwa na so and chao can do some of the things so chwer you ana cha kana na an jo chao jo a lo la dai pen gina dia pe petinero mani winyi ni mo aggressive lo show tie pe juma ne chai ko na furu lo show ki chele kan ko promoter nga gi yang kono ki luoni amazing events ti wanero mo lo show pe kona an pedi la we ngaro mo lo shows my bed anyway polo na tara yubane ko man I made money ma kel ko na view gi ko akela nga gi I made those money by myself kiti kadam megwake we brand ni obet la man we wan food konye anyime bene ina we man anyime mo pere mo ka food wati man kedo wati again food food everything we count on so much is war Facebook mo genale we food they count so much on but pegging even when you go beyond karmati ka chako jam na tari char kampa dana hey jo that is a suicide mission made share yeah ipero ko be share lingi twitch am I not doing fine? Am I not doing fine? I am doing fine much more than any other musician in Jaro. Penati Jen, I did titulo or die. Mukere geti magiloya, magiti mabegere. But no, jo magiti mabe no are watching those are people who are doing their own personal businesses. So work depending so much wake or nongi na tima bene. Kare pe wakwano, wetu ya nungo side hustles no my romote mone. Kare mo kwa neno tiki gena tima. You know. Ikare chunyi we pa ma ipare ni we kene we bigakla no dano tika yer chara mano chi a fo ever ya Ajulu lo me lo ilo kom lo ani lo komo ma angin kerri ngo gero donye it joma dum mago winyo mudde be piano tie, but at the end of the day one way one volo kidong ma gikene ma ngene we are no wrong with lore DJs. When DJs are failing one by no taking a lot of money from us just because there's a way our DJs feel like they've made it in life, you know. And I've been trying to talk. There was a time I was so willing to work with a lot of DJs and my board one, but the response kind of like shut me down a little bit. I was like, why am I going to start, investing in somebody who does not even appreciate my music? Like we really have good music, but again, probably fully one north don't go with him. We don't meet. We don't buy producers. We don't do good budget. We don't do bad work. Gee, DJs, style up our DJs. Start playing music. Mamekwa makiripe pemi ni uchiane. Na chano waro mi utie ya. But if you demand for it, just like I think it banya anymore, it doesn't work that way. And I don't really benefit so much from music, like directly from my personal music, but I benefit so much from the work that I do in lines with music. All the recording studio is doing well here. I think from the time I've been in Kampala, Romeo kigana chala we ma akin na lanya gana mabiyan yubo we na bara. Pe ma kop Kampala. Anga mubiyan. Fat Jeff, I think Fat Jeff came, and a couple of few more. And again, my pay atahaba our local kwa ya wakige kwa yala niya. That's my only request to every single one of us. One way. Mote una na nyimwa lake erga futo bera baba. But no again a tema I think that is the only thing.